Almost everyone in the gym fears the same thing: overtraining. You hear it everywhere. Be careful, you might overtrain. But here's the truth: almost nobody, especially beginners, is anywhere close to actual overtraining. So let's break down what overtraining really is, and how much is actually too much. There are two terms people confuse: overreaching and overtraining. Overreaching is normal. It's when you push yourself, feel sore, maybe even tired for a few days. Your performance dips slightly, then bounces back stronger. That's part of getting better. Overtraining is something very different. It's long-term, it's serious, and it doesn't happen from a few hard workouts. Overtraining is a clinical condition, an actual measurable breakdown of your performance, hormones, nervous system, immune system, and mood. It's rare even among competitive athletes. You don't hit this by accident. You hit it when you train extremely hard for months with terrible recovery, terrible sleep, and constant stress. These are the real signs, not the myths. Strength dropping for 2-3 weeks straight. Constant fatigue even after rest. Mood swings and irritability. No motivation. Poor sleep. Weakened immune system. Elevated resting heart rate. Workouts feel harder, not easier. If you're just sore, that's training, not overtraining. Here's the part nobody tells beginners: you almost can't overtrain. Beginners don't lift heavy enough, long enough, or with enough volume to truly hit overtraining. But beginners can under-recover, and that's what most people mistake for overtraining. For decades, people in the fitness world used overtraining as a scare tactic. Don't train too often. Don't push too hard. Don't lift 2 days in a row. But look at elite athletes. They train every day, sometimes twice a day, and they don't overtrain because their recovery matches their training. So how do you know when you're doing too much? Here's how training volume breaks down. 2 to 10 hard sets per muscle per week, perfect for beginners. 10 to 20 sets per week, intermediate. 20 plus sets per week, only for advanced lifters with excellent recovery. If you're smashing 40 sets for chest every Monday, yeah, that's too much. Here's the truth that changes everything. You don't overtrain, you under-recover. Your nervous system needs sleep. Your muscles need protein. Your body needs calories. Your mind needs rest. If one of those is missing, you'll feel like you're overtrained even when you're not. Sleep is your #1 recovery tool, more important than protein, supplements, or stretching. Then comes nutrition. If you're eating like a bird, you're going to feel exhausted. And stress. Your body doesn't care where stress comes from. Work stress, relationship stress, money stress, it all impacts recovery. To avoid ever getting close to overtraining, get 7-9 hours of sleep, eat enough protein, eat enough calories, take 1-2 rest days per week, deload every 6-8 weeks, follow a structured program, track your progress, manage your stress levels. If you follow those, you won't overtrain, you'll grow. And having your program, sets, reps, and progress tracked automatically helps you know when you're doing too much. PumpPal handles all of that. A deload is one of the most powerful tools in training and least understood. A deload is not a week off. It's simply reducing your volume or intensity for a week, usually by about 30-50%. It's like pressing the reset button, without losing progress. Pull back if you're weaker for weeks, you're exhausted every workout, you stop enjoying training, you're not sleeping well, you feel mentally drained, or your motivation disappears. That's your body asking for recovery, not giving up. Here's the real truth. Most people are nowhere near overtraining. They're just under-recovering, under-eating, and under-sleeping. When you train smart and recover smart, you can push harder than you think. If you want to train smarter and avoid burnout, start tracking your progress. PumpPal helps you build plans, log every set and rep, track measurements, and stay consistent so you know when to push and when to rest. Check the link in the description to get started and keep training strong.